If you're looking for cycling reflectors, this video is for you. My name is Lily, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click the circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. By Lighthouse. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2. By Bridge to Shopping. Number 3. By Hanumex. For more info and great cycling reflectors, just click this circle. Number 4. By Fun and Shop. Number 5. By Generic. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.